Alright, hello YouTubers, hello Discordians, it's East Weymouth Chris, it's Rick Owens Endgame time. These are three of my last four Rick Owens purchases for a minute. And it's going to be pod shorts, crop pants, and socks. And I've worked out how I want to do this because I'm not 100% certain any of this is going to fit. And I'm going to do the crop pants in the middle because they're large dark shadow. I fit medium dark shadow. Those are most likely to fit. So if I blew it with the sock boots and I blew it with the shorts, at least I'll have this sort of island in the middle of comfort where something fits. So let's kick it off. These are the Rick's Forever pod shorts in black from the Rick Owens store. And when they're not having a sale, they get stuff to you in a damn hurry. So that's pretty cool. And they've always been awesome when I call in with questions. Because I call in with a lot of questions. I get very twitchy when I buy stuff, especially when it's online. I ask stuff and they're always cool, which is something that I appreciate because I've been in customer service positions and it gave me kind of high standards when dealing with reps. There we go. Now I fit a medium in dark shadow. These are size 48. There shouldn't be any problem. Ooh, yes, I see some Rick Owens wrapping paper. I see a Rick Owens envelope detailing my purchase. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I love anything Rick. Everything Rick is so awesome, like the paper stylish. Oh! Got some wrapping paper with that Rick Owens tape. I think I'm going to save the tape. And, oops. There we go. And unwrapping. We got another Rick Owens tote bag. Hell yeah, I love the Rick Owens tote bag. And last but not least, in here we have the current season Rick Owens pod shorts. I'm looking at the drawstrings. I'm feeling pretty optimistic about being able to put these on. Let me just step outside range of the camera for a minute and see what happens. Did I fuck up? I hope I didn't fuck this up. Well, I didn't fuck up the legs part. And I didn't fuck up the drawstring either. Yay. Hell yes. This is exactly the way my, what's it called? My sweatpants fit. So this maybe could have gone with a fitty, but this is by no means unwearable. This is awesome. So this is fine. Yeah. Word. Okay. So then we know those fit. Now, is that how I said I was going to do it? I said I was. Well, since we know that these fit, may as well just tear right into the. You know what? No, save the boots for last, and now get into this. All right, like this. Yeah, that's correct. That's more correct. These are going to be large, dark shadow, blue crop pants. I needed crop because of sock. Also, I needed it. Alright. And here's Farfetch. Oh, look at that. They put it in stylishly. I always appreciate a little stylistic flourish. And Le Grave. And, oh, wow. I like the color. I love the material. Let me just once again go off camera for a second. Pop these right on. Let's make sure I am totally off camera. Wow, these are really comfy. Damn. I hope these stay up because I like them. Oops, no, don't kick through the fabric. Yes. Now this went not quite as I'd expected. These droop kind of all the way down, so they're not really crop. In fact, they're a bit long. But I might just wear them anyway. So that's moderately disappointing, but these are on sale, and plus Farfetch has a return policy, which reminds me I should take this off immediately before I disturb whatever device they have for detecting that something's been worn, because I may want to return these. All right, that was a moderate disappointment. Let's pop these shorts back on. And last but not least, let's bust into these sneakers. I got those cross tailored actually. This wouldn't be a bad idea, but right now, oh, look at this. It looks like I can just get right into it. Yes. Now let's hope that I did not manage. Oh yes, Rick Owens box. I love the big Rick Owens box, and the way you open, you just hold it and it just slides down. And here we go. Oh, how nice to see these in person. Ramones socks. I'm gonna just pop these things right out. These look like they fit. These also look like they may not fit. Motherfucker, fuck up all three of these goddamn. Not all three. I fucked up 2 or 3. Let's just pop one and see what's what. Delicious. Very nice. I know how to put these on because I got my Grafton hood thingies. Oh. It's got tissue paper in the toe. Alright. Some folding in the toe. Just back up. Pop it on. Oh, fit, goddammit. And on it went. Perfect fit. Yes. Excellent. Excellent. And now the sometimes problematic right foot goes in. And that. These might be a problem putting on and taking off. Did I rip anything? More like rip Owens than my. No, this is cool. So, I got this. I got this. Yeah, that's nice. Let's take a look at these. Let's get a ground view. Should use my stand, but that's cool. All right. Yes, I have Socc. Hooray! I also have pod shorts. I may have crop pants, but that's where I'm at right now. Boom. So we'll call that 2 out of 3.